Hello, so good evening. So today I'm talking about the elements of multimedia. Okay, by the way, I am Srina Bailon, MIT2 of Isabela State University. Enjoy listening. So the elements of multimedia are the text, the graphics, animation. Okay, so the next is understanding software for working with text. So, word processing programs such as Microsoft Word and Corel WordPerfect are useful in generating text for text-intensive multimedia titles. Once text is created in a word processing program, it can easily be copied to a multimedia title. In addition, word processing programs now allow you to save a document in HTML format so that it can be used on the web. When you want text in your multimedia title to have a special effects such as animation, however, you can use other programs designed specifically for working with text. So there are excuse me, common computer text. So we have here some of the common computer texts, which are Arials, Comic Sans MR, Georgia, Impact, Lucida Console, Lucida, and many more. In bold style, we have the Arial Black, the Comic Sans MS, the Georgia, the Serif, the and Verdana, and Symbol. What is a typeface? So a typeface is a set of characters of the same design. These characters include letters, numbers, punctuation, marks, and symbols. Some popular typefaces include Arial, Helvetica, Times, and Verdana. While most computers come with a few dozen typefaces installed, there are thousands of typefaces available, maybe in the web. So we can download a lot of typefaces in the web. There are two general categories of typefaces, the serif and the sans serif. Sans serif typefaces are composed of simple lines, whereas serif typefaces use small decorative marks to embellish characters and make them easier to read. Helvetica is a sans serif type and Times New Roman is a serif type. What is a font? So a font is a type in a particular size and weight. So in short, a typeface usually gathers many fonts. Nowadays, with the digital design of documents, you often to see those two words used rather interchangeably. What is a character set? So a character set is a collection of characters that might be used by multiple languages. Example, the Latin character set is used by English and most European languages, though the Greek character set is used only by the Greek language. So what is an alphabet? So we are all familiar with the alphabet, but to formally define alphabet, so it is a standard set of letters that represents the phonemes of any spoken language it is used to write. So we have also free tools for creating your own fonts. So the first is the Fontstruck. So Fontstruck is a free online font editor. Next is the FontForge. So FontForge is a free font editor also that the desktop can be installed in Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So it is compatible with various operating systems. Next is the Bitfont Maker. This is an online font building tool, allows you to create fonts that have simple geometric shapes. Next is the TypeLite. So it is available only for the Windows. And the Font Constructor, this is free, Mac-only font editor, produced with the intention of giving students a tool to learning. And then the Raster Font Editor, and that's all. Thank you for listening.